Karibu! Dive into stories that inspire, educate, and connect you to deeper knowledge every single day. Subscribe and like.
Amidst the serene whispers of dawn, Kamau stood firm, his heart pounding with purpose. The crisp air carried the scent of earth and the distant chill of Mount Kenya. Sunlight danced over the landscape, painting the fallen mugumo tree in gold, a reminder of a severed spiritual bond. Kamau's gaze lingered on the ancient wood, heavy with tradition and ancestral whispers. Determination etched on his brow. He knew what must be done. The fallen tree was more than timber. It symbolized his people's connection to Ngai. He felt the earth's pulse beneath his feet, resonating with his heartbeat, urging him forward. With resolve as steadfast as the mountain, Kamau envisioned the journey ahead, challenging yet illuminated by faith. In that moment, Kamau understood he was not alone. The spirits of his forebears walked beside him, guiding him toward renewal and hope. With reverence, Kamau pressed his hands into the cold soil, grounding the mugumo sapling into its new home. The chill of the mountaintop air was warmed by triumph and whispered blessings from his ancestors. As the sun broke through the clouds, its rays embraced Kamau, acknowledging his journey's completion. The summit became a sacred altar where earth and sky met in harmony, renewing the air. In the silence, Kamau felt the mountain breathe, its spirit resonating with his own. The vast sky stretched above, a canvas of infinite possibility, while the earth beneath whispered old tales. At the pinnacle of his quest, Kamau found profound peace, knowing his bond with Ngai was restored. As the wind gently caressed his face, he rose, heart full of promise, and ready to share the story of hope with his people. Kamau moved with deliberate steps, each footfall a testament to his resolve. As he ascended, the cold mountain air nipped at his skin, but he drew warmth from the memory of his ancestors' strength. The path was unforgiving, strewn with jagged rocks and hidden pitfalls, yet Kamau's spirit remained unbroken. With each breath, he inhaled the scent of earth and ancient moss, as the whispers of the forest below faded into the distance. The mist clung to him like a shroud, obscuring the world beyond, yet within its folds lay a profound sense of mystery and connection. Kamau felt the mountain's pulse beneath him, a rhythm that echoed his own heartbeat, guiding him onward. As he clutched the sapling, its roots cradled in his arms, he knew he carried the hope of his people. The call of a distant bird resonated, a solitary note in the vast silence, as Kamau pressed forward, a silent prayer for renewal and harmony echoing in his heart.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.